We often hear that it produces too much smoke when it burns. Well, it's interesting. Building code allows us to have a smoke development, which is tested in this Steiner tunnel, again, the UL or ASTM version of the tunnel. We test the smoke development in that tunnel. And the number in the building code says you will not have a greater than 450, and again, it's another arbitrary number, of 450 smoke development. Now it's interesting, smoke is a function of mass, how much material you actually burn. The more material you burn, the more smoke you're going to generate. Well, if we look at some of the popular building materials, like wood again, they have smoke developments, like ponderosa pine has a smoke development around 150, but it's only tested at 1 inch thick. PUR spray foam gets tested at 4 inches, and its smoke development number is far less than 450. So if smoke generation is mass related, and 4 inches of foam is far less than 450, and only 1 inch of ponderosa pine generates a smoke development of 150, we're not that bad. To help you understand a little bit more about spray foam and to help you integrate it into your operation, I've created educational courses on my website at letstalkpur.com, or you can click on the link in the video description. I encourage you to check them out. I'll see you there.